Olá pessoal, welcome back to your Portuguese. I'm Diogo, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of ordinal numbers in Brazilian Portuguese. If you're ready to boost your Portuguese skills, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's get started. First things first, what are ordinal numbers? Well, they indicate the position or order of things. In English, we say first, second, third, and so on. In Portuguese, it's no different. Let's explore how we express ordinal numbers in Brazilian Portuguese. Vamos lá! Here are the basic ordinal numbers you need to know. Primeiro, segundo, terceiro, quarto, quinto, sexto, sétimo, oitavo, nono, décimo. These are the building blocks for expressing order in Portuguese. Agora, let's use these in sentences. Eu sou o primeiro na fila. Eu sou o primeiro na fila. I am the first in line. O segundo livro é interessante. O segundo livro é interessante. The second book is interesting. Ela é a terceira pessoa na sala. Ela é a terceira pessoa na sala. She is the third person in the room. Practice using these in context to solidify your understanding. But before we continue, do you know who is responsible for the growth of this channel? Yes, exactly. You. I make these videos about the Portuguese language and about the Brazilian culture because I believe that they will help you and that you will have a good time watching them. So, if you have enjoyed this video so far, I'd like to ask you to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That will help us a lot, not only to grow the channel, but also to keep making good and fun videos especially for you. Thank you so much, and let's go back to the video. And what if we need ordinal numbers bigger than 10? It's easy. Décimo primeiro, décimo segundo, décimo terceiro, and so on. Just combine décimo with the numbers we have already learned until vigésimo. Then we have trigésimo, quadragésimo, quinquagésimo, sexagésimo, septuagésimo, octogésimo, nonagésimo, centésimo, and so on. If you want to learn ordinal numbers after centésimo in Brazilian Portuguese, leave a comment below and I will gladly bring this lesson especially for you. Parabéns! You've just mastered ordinal numbers in Brazilian Portuguese. Now, go out there and practice. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Muito obrigado e te vejo no próximo vídeo. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn more Portuguese, make sure to check other videos in the channel I have made especially for you. Até mais!